Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for part 2 on building your perfect wardrobe. If you are new here, you missed part 1, don't worry, I will have it linked down below. In that video, we talked all about defining your personal style, building your wardrobe, and shopping with intention. Today, we are getting into the fun part, which is actually making your wardrobe work for you. Okay, I'm going to be talking all about styling your pieces multiple ways, adding personality to your basics, and how you can incorporate trends in your wardrobe. So let's get started. Let's start by talking about versatility. It's one of the most important aspects of building a wardrobe you'll actually love and use, and it is the key to styling your pieces multiple ways. But here's the thing, versatility isn't one size fits all. It's important to know what versatility means to you and what in your lifestyle, because what works for one person might not work for another. And if you want to have a wardrobe full of pieces that can be styled multiple different ways, you need to know what are the ways you're going to want to style it. So for me, when I'm thinking about how a piece can be styled multiple ways, I'm thinking, can I wear it to work, and can I wear it on the weekends? And more specifically for the weekends, can it be dressed down? Because obviously for work, I will style it more professionally, but on the weekends, I don't need to be professional, okay? I can be casual. Understanding how you want to style something and where you plan to wear it is super important when you are shopping and building your perfect wardrobe. To help you visualize what this can look like, let me give you an example. So this fall and winter, I really wanted to revamp my wardrobe. I had not went shopping for myself in a while, and I knew that for this fall and wardrobe, I did not want to be wearing the exact same stuff that I was wearing last fall and winter. I knew I wanted to add more versatile pieces to my wardrobe that I can mix and match with the old and the new. As I stated before, when I'm shopping, I think about stuff that I could possibly wear to work and then possibly wear on the weekends. So I knew I wanted to get some sweaters, some cardigans, and some pants. Now for sweaters, I made sure to buy all full-length sweaters so that way it's appropriate for work. And then if I want to wear it on the weekends, I can wear it with some jeans or some leggings. And then I could always do like a front tuck or something on the weekends if I wanted to wear it more cropped. And then for cardigans, I made sure to buy a mix of plain solid color simple cardigans that I could wear to work. And then again, I could just easily style it with some jeans on the weekends. And I also did buy some cardigans that were a little bit more dressies. So those wouldn't necessarily be for the weekends. They probably will specifically be just for work. But if I ever needed to dress up on the weekends, I could wear those cardigans on the weekends. For pants, I bought some loose fitting wide leg pants. They are super duper comfortable, and I bought them in black, tan, and olive. So that way I can wear them to work with like a nice sweater or something, or I can wear them with like a plain t-shirt or a graphic tee or anything like that on the weekends and still be comfortable. Another tip on being able to style an item different ways is to have a ton of solid color items in your wardrobe. Solid color pieces, whether it's neutral or bold, is going to be your wardrobe's best friend. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, beige, navy can effortlessly pair with just about anything, but you can still get a lot of wear out of bold solid colors. Pieces like a pink sweater or burgundy pants can be like the focal point of your outfit if you just keep the rest of your outfit simple and plain and then let that focal point get the shine. For example, you can pair a bright pink sweater with some plain trousers for work or some jeans for a casual outfit. It's super easy to dress up or down with different bottoms and accessories because it's a solid color. The point is that you do not have to have a wardrobe filled with only neutrals, okay? No matter what nobody says, you do not only need neutrals. Obviously, it's good to have some neutral items, but you could still have a lot of color in your wardrobe. Another note about colors is to look at the color wheel and pay attention to what colors complement each other. Okay, now let's talk about accessories, because honestly, they really elevate an outfit. Accessories are like the secret weapon for making your outfit feel fresh, unique, and totally you. You could be wearing the most simple outfit like a graphic tee and jeans, and the right accessories will make it look like you put so much effort into it. And the best part is they're super versatile and they can help you stretch your wardrobe further without the need to buy more clothes. Think of your outfit as the base and accessories as the fun stuff that takes it up a notch. You can have one just like a plain t-shirt, some jeans, which is pretty basic, right? Now if you throw on a chunky gold necklace, a cute belt, some ankle boots, and boom, you look polished and put together, okay? And then you can swap out the ankle boots for some sneakers and a baseball cap, and you got a completely different laid back look. That's the magic of accessory. They're all about switching things up without the need for having a bunch of different clothes, and they're perfect for showing off your personality. Okay, let's talk about the different kinds of accessories and how they can work, because not all accessories do the same things. Here are a few to keep in mind. Jewelry is probably the first thing people think of when you say accessories, and that's for a good reason. They're super versatile. Starting off with statement jewelry, you know, those big bold necklaces, oversized earrings, big chunky bracelets. They're great for when you want to make an outfit pop. For example, you could pair a chunky gold necklace with a plain black turtleneck and it instantly looks like you put effort into the outfit. Dainty jewelry is for when you want to go for a softer, more understated look, like some small hoop earrings or a thin bracelet with a cute blouse. Super simple simple, but it's also super chic. Dainty jewelry can also be used to add a feminine touch to an outfit. If I'm wearing like an oversized tee, some baggy joggers, I like to add some simple stud earrings or like a thin necklace or a thin bracelet just to add a feminine touch to the look. I also like to wear dainty jewelry to work because I try not to wear too much bold accessories to work. Scarves are like the multitaskers of accessories. You can wear them so many different ways. You can wear them around your neck for like a classic vibe. You can wear them in your hair for a fun, playful touch. You can even tie them around your bag for a pop of color. I see that a lot on TikTok, people just adding a little bit razzle dazzle to their bag by tying a scarf around it. Now, belts are not just for holding your pants up. They can really define your shape and pull your whole look together. If you got a super flowy, oversized dress, you can add a belt. Now you've instantly got a cute waistline, or you can add a belt to kind of break up that outfit. It's such an easy way to add some extra detail to the outfit. Hats can completely change the vibe of an outfit. A wide brim hat gives you that boho vibe, but a baseball cap can make your outfit more sporty and casual. So you can also use hats to kind of, you know, add a little razzle dazzle to your outfit as well. Shoes is another major player in how your outfit look. If you wear a sundress, you can add some white sneakers and then it's more casual, more cool. Or if you wear that same dress with some strappy heels, it's kind of giving date night, more dressed up. Your bag can tie everything together. Like a structured tote makes you look like you've got your life together, while a cute crossbody makes you feel a little bit more laid back, hands-free. A pro tip is to have at least 1 or 2 neutral bags though, so that way if you're ever in a rush, you can just grab something and go, but you still look cute, still look put together. The last accessory is sunglasses. Even on cloudy days, sunglasses can make you look like you have your life together. You can play around with the different shapes, the different colors, the different sizes. There's such a fun way to add some personality, add some extraness, add a little razzle dazzle to the outfit. So we talked a lot about some of the different type of accessories. Now let's talk about how you can make them work for you. First, you can play with color. If your wardrobe is mainly neutrals, accessories are where you can have a little fun. You can add a red bag, add some bright earrings or some colorful shoes. You can also have like a signature piece of jewelry. I know a lot of people sometimes have like a go-to bracelet tag or go-to necklace tag or just go-to jewelry in general that they like to have. Now, if you're just now getting into jewelry, this is something you may want to do. Just having some go-to jewelry that you can always just grab and go. You know, it goes with everything, just to get you in the habit of always adding some jewelry to your look. And again, it would just elevate your outfit, add a little something extra to your outfit. But you want to be careful with having signature jewelry and wearing it all the time. Maybe have a couple different signature jewelry pieces, because sometimes if we wear the same jewelry all the time, we style our pieces the same way all the time, it makes you get sick of your wardrobe, and you don't want to do this whole wardrobe revamp and then in 2-3 months you're sick of your wardrobe again. You want to switch things up, because again, like if you're styling stuff the same way, you're gonna get tired of it, trust me. And one of the easiest ways to revive your wardrobe is with accessories. So if you ever feel like you're just sick of wearing the same thing over and over again, you're probably not tired of your clothes, you're probably not tired of your outfit, you don't need to do a whole new revamp, you just need some new accessories, okay? You just need to style your pieces differently. So you may need to switch up the bag that you're wearing all the time, switch up the colors, switch up the type of jewelry. If you always wear silver, try wearing gold. The great thing about accessories is that they are way cheaper than clothes. So it's way cheaper to just buy new accessories and style your pieces differently than buy a whole new wardrobe every time that you get bored with your clothes. All right, now let's chat about taking your wardrobe to the next level. You've got all your versatile go-to pieces, and now it's time to have a little fun, spice things up a little bit. And that's where embracing trends come in and adding those fun pieces, those not so versatile, fast fashion pieces. The key here is to keep things fresh and fun without losing all the timelessness you just built. Okay, so you've got all your timeless pieces. You got your favorite trench coat, your perfect pair of jeans that you wear year round. They never go out of style. Those are the backbone of your wardrobe. But trendy pieces or like more fast fashion pieces, they're gonna add a little spice to your wardrobe, okay? A little bit can completely change an outfit, but too much can overwhelm your closet. Here's the trick. Trendy fast fashion pieces are like accessories to your main wardrobe. They're not the focus. They're the little extra things that makes things exciting. For example, leopard print pants are trending, but that does not mean that you need to have 5 different pair of leopard print pants. Now, I did buy 2 different pair of leopard print pants, one straight leg pair and another in a wide leg style. But the only reason I bought 2 different pairs is because they were super inexpensive, and I knew that for my style, I personally could style them a bunch of different ways with the clothes that I already had in my wardrobe, and I have worn them a bunch of different ways. The key is balance. You've got your classic pieces and you sprinkle in a trend or 2 just to keep things fresh. But let's be real, trends can be so tempting, especially when you're just scrolling through TikToks or Instagram and you see everyone rocking that piece of the moment. But before you hit add to cart, here's some tips to help you make sure that trends do not overtake your closet. Number 1 is to try before you commit. If you are not 100% sure about the trend, start small. Using leopard print as an example again, leopard print is super trendy, but if you're not sure that you can pull off leopard print pants, instead try a leopard print bag or shoes first. That way you're testing the waters without spending too much money or taking up too much space in your closet. When it comes to trends, remember to stick to your style. If a trend does not fit your personal style, it's okay to skip. Not every trend is for everybody, and that is totally fine. Focus on the ones that feel like you. Also, stay within your preferred color palette. If your wardrobe is full of neutrals, don't go buying no neon yellow pants just because they're trendy. Look for trendy items and colors that already vibe with your wardrobe. It makes it so much easier when it comes to mixing and matching. And an example is satin pants. A couple months ago, some satin pants from Target went viral on TikTok, and I did fall for the hype, okay? And I bought 2 pair of satin pants from Target, but before I bought them, I made sure to look up so many different videos on TikTok to see how to style them, because I wanted to make sure that the ideas that I had in my mind on how I wanted to style them would look good. And then I also did go in the store and try them on, just again to make sure that they actually look good on my body. Now, they did come in so many different colors. I bought a dark navy and a chocolate brown because I wanted to buy colors that I could wear to work, and I have worn them to work, and that I can still wear on the weekends as well. So I made a trend work for my current needs, and I made it work for my current style. And when I bought them, they were 30% off. Okay, I love me a good sale, which brings me to my next point of do not spend a crazy amount of money on trendy clothes. Okay, trends come and go, and you don't want to regret spending $200 on a piece that you're only going to wear a few times, that you're only going to wear a month or 2. Fast fashion can be so tempting, but there are so many different affordable ways to try trends, like thrifting. You can shop sales. You can even rent items for special occasions. Here are a couple common mistakes that people make when it comes to trends. Number 1 is to not overload on trends. Okay, I will say it again, you do not need to buy every single trendy piece. If your closet starts to feel like a fashion museum, it's time to dial it back. Okay, stick to a few trends that work with you, that you can mix and match with your basics. The second mistake a lot of people make is ignoring the fit. Fit is everything. Take the time to understand your body stock, your body shape, and find what works for you. Not every trend may work for your body type. So that's why I want to make sure that the satin pants look good on me, because who knows, they might have looked bad. Number 3 is not sticking to your style. Before you shop anything trendy or anything in general, make sure that you ask yourself, does this fit in my style, or am I just buying this because it's popular or it looks cute on her? Like, make sure that it's actually your style. If it doesn't feel like you, then you need to leave that thing behind. At the end of the day, trends should feel fun but not stressful. Use them to add a little personality to your wardrobe, but don't let them take over. And remember, it's not about chasing every trend. It's about picking the ones that works for you. So that's it for part 2 of our Building Your Perfect Wardrobe series. I hope these tips inspire you to get creative with styling and add some trends into your wardrobe. Don't forget to check out my wardrobe workbook if you have not already. It goes over discovering your personal style, conducting a wardrobe audit, identifying must-have essentials. Also has templates for creating a shopping list, budgeting templates, as well as planning templates. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. Let me know if there are any other videos that you would like to see in the Building Your Wardrobe series. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe, of course. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.